Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, daily chart again, and we're continuing to see the bears they're executing. They're following through. We got lower highs and lower lows. We traded as low as 31.98. They took that up into the 50s last night. Europe sold it off back down to 32.10, and as I record this about 7:45 in the morning, we're trading about 32.23. But you can see we remain below the green line there, which is your daily mid-band. We remain below the 9-day, which is the blue line there. We remain below the 50-day exponential. And we're kind of dancing on either side of the 100, which is this yellow line here. And you still have the 200 well below at 31.32 basically. Hourly chart, remember we had a couple of these that broke. Flag, broke. So a lower low here, another little marginal lower low. When they took this one down off the open yesterday, they had a chance to really open it up. They didn't do that. So they did give it up for the majority of the day, and they jammed it down into the close. They did a lower high relative to here, and they really, though, they being the bears, they really need to break 31.98 today. You don't want to be leaving higher lows hanging around on charts on Fridays, heading into Sundays, into Mondays, and you get a little bit of strength on a Sunday morning, on a Sunday evening, and that'll carry through into next week. So from the bearish perspective, they need to continue to produce lows. If they were able to control the close again today, that would be helpful. What do the bulls want to do? You want to hold 31.98. You want to climb back on top of both the daily pivot at 32.35 and the hourly midband at 32.43, 32.44. If you can establish that 10-handle chunk of price or 8-handle chunk of price as support, then you can lift back into Globex highs and potentially try to close it up there or better heading into the weekend. That puts a much different spin on things. If you do that, then there's a point this afternoon where everybody looks around and goes, who wants to be short over the weekend? And you've got Yom Kippur is Monday. So it's not technically a 3-day weekend, but volume's going to be light on Monday. So, you start looking around asking the questions of, who wants to be short over effectively a 3-day weekend? And the answer to that question historically is no, not me, go ahead. And that tends to push things higher. So the more that the bears can get done below 31.98, the more they can avoid what might be a late day lift, and then we'll head into next week and see what we find. Volume weighted average price is locked up with daily pivot this morning to 32.35. Proprietary moving average 27.5. 5-minute mid basically 19. That's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.